Starting with the stocking cap, I'm going to cut some holes in my ear. I'm going to hairspray that down with the Got2b spray and use the blow dryer. You guys will see that I didn't actually have cane rows on this time round. I didn't have time. So you can achieve this without cane rows if you blow dry your hair and straighten it flat enough. I cut off any excess tights or stocking, and then I once again use the hairspray to just ensure that it's more secured down. Going in with my foundation to blend that in. You guys always ask to see the back, and this is how I do the back of my hair. As you guys can see, I just tie a little knot and it just works well. Using the Wonder Lace Bond, I'm going to apply this on, my head. And I like to do 2 layers. Once it's like a clear, sheer, light blue, I apply my blonde wig. And guys, I'm not going to lie, I did feel like I put my wig a bit too forward. But at the end of the day, I'd rather it be forward and being in front of my hairline than on my hairline because I want to save them. And I'm going to literally cement that down with my headband. I'm going to blend in some foundation on the lace so it melts a bit better, going in with a hot comb. And then I like to use a lace melt, just to give it that extra meltness. And then I just kind of style my hair, take off the headband, and this is how it looks. I did do this hairstyle and I do feel it's a bit forward, but if you guys do like this hairstyle, let me know and I'll show you guys a tutorial. But that's me done.